Ready to supercharge your Liondesk CRM? Let's dive into how to upload your contacts using a CSV file, making lead management a breeze. First, you'll want to create your CSV file. Think of it as a digital address book. Open up any spreadsheet program, like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or even a plain text editor. The key is saving it as a CSV file later. Crucially, you'll want to start with the right headers. This is what tells Liondesk what kind of information you're importing. Some essential headers include first name, last name, email address, phone number, and any custom fields you'd like to include. Now it's time to fill in your contact information. Make sure all your contacts are on their own rows. Each piece of information for each contact goes into its corresponding column. Double check you've got everything where it needs to be: names, emails, and any extra info. Once your spreadsheet is complete, go ahead and save your file. Making sure to choose the CSV format is essential. Ensure the format is CSV, separated values. This allows Liondesk to understand the data. Alright, ready to import. Head over to your Liondesk account, find the Contacts section, and then look for the Import option. It's usually clearly labeled. Click on Import and select your CSV file from your computer. Liondesk will guide you through mapping the columns. This means you'll tell Liondesk which column in your CSV file corresponds to which field in Liondesk, like first name from your CSV to first name in Liondesk. And that's it. Once you verify the mappings, click to import your contacts. You'll see a progress bar as your contacts upload. Once it's finished, you can view your new contacts right inside Liondesk, ready to start managing them. Now start growing your business inside your CRM. Easier and faster with this method.